Let's create this look with me. And I'm using this Nivea Soft Moisturizer Cream to moisturize my face. Before doing makeup, we must apply moisturizer. Then I'm using this Sugar Primer. This is transparent and silicone based primer. I am applying it to fill my open pores, which is help to create smooth and flawless makeup. Then I'm using this Fit Me foundation shade 220, which is 2 shade lighter than my skin tone. I'm blending it with Beauty Blender, and then I'm using eyebrow powder to fill my eyebrows. This is a Swiss Beauty concealer. When we do full makeup, we have to use concealer. This gives us flawless finish makeup. And now I'm blending it with same Beauty Blender. You can see the difference after using concealer. It's not take so much time to blend. This is good concealer according to the price. Now I'm using Swiss Beauty blush palette. I'm picking this shade, which is peach. This is easy to blend and pigmented. You can see the pigment. Here is highlighter, which is also comes in this palette. I'm applying on cheekbone, tip of nose. And then I'm using peach eyeshadow. This is eyebrow powder, which is I'm applying. And this is my favorite lip color, which is also Swiss Beauty. That shade is 15. And finally I'm applying Swiss Beauty mascara. I'm wearing this beautiful silver jhumka. I wear this anarkali suit with white color flawless print with chanderi lace work on it. The fabric is pure cotton. I love it. Please like and subscribe my channel. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.